Sir, thank you for visiting our stall in
Welcome, ma'am.
ACMEE 2023, and I really know you are our prestigious customer. So almost 5 years you are using our tables, right, sir?
Yes, your product.
So how you feel about UCAM support and UCAM product?
UCAM really supports us well for the it is prime accuracy and repeatability.
Okay, sir.
We are very much confident with this product. Uh, with this our new addition of 5-axis tilting table, we are very much happy and we are able to achieve high productivity and with high critical components also.
Sure, sir.
With angular holes, angular milling, everything. It is very helpful for our production and to meet our customer requirements.
Okay, sir. How about the service what UCAM is providing to you?
Yeah, they are very good in service. They are attending immediately. Whenever we call them for service or any doubts, they are attending immediately.
So what is the improvement you look in UCAM in future, sir?
Uh, Accuracy and all they are with they are at a global standard, in my opinion.
Great, sir. Thank you.
Um, we are expecting more products.
Okay, great.
We are,
And I'm really thankful for the new order you had signed with us today. And definitely we'll work together, sir.
definitely,
Thanks for
ma'am.
coming.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Welcome.